What common defense strategies can be used in drug cases in Arizona? Attorney Jared Allen explains that. In drug cases, there is often the question of who they belong to, where they were found. If the drugs can be closely tied to the individual charged, then in Arizona law, they have what is sometimes called the actual possession, where something is in your possession or in your immediate control. Then there is constructive possession, which is not in your immediate possession. However, you could exercise control over it. You could have some awareness of it. That could be attributed as possession to you. Those are the cases where the individual did not know that the drugs were there. For example, when there are a few people in a car and there are some drugs in the back seat or under the back seat. When several people in the car could have access to them, it becomes a question of who knew about it, who could see it, was it in plain view, etc. Some of these facts contribute towards the defense in cases like that and in sale cases. Oftentimes, people are charged with sale, even with a small amount of drugs. Based on other factors like if the drugs are divided up into smaller packages, presence of any type of cash, maybe a scale for weighing drugs. These things are typically considered what they call indica of drug sales. However, they do not always mean that is what was happening. Sometimes the defense to that can be the small amount of drugs or money. The fact that sometimes it can be just a couple of friends that are sharing drugs among themselves. In those cases, there needs to be the exploration into exactly what the relationships between the parties are, how much of the drugs we are talking about, and how much the indica of drug sale actually resulted in the potential for selling drugs in the case as opposed to just being a way that friends are sharing or giving drugs to one another. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Jared Allen in Phoenix, Arizona at 602-456-1982 or visit his website at www.jsazlaw.com.